Hey guys, it's me, Kinghuman. Look, in this video, what I want to do is I want to give you guys a clear path on how to start making money online right now. Now, I'm not going to sell you anything. I'm not going to pitch you on anything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do an over-the-shoulder case study, and I'm going to walk you through the principles and procedures that will put you on the path for making money for yourself. We're not going to do anything weird. What we're going to do is we're going to reverse engineer what is working for the big gurus right now so that you know what they're doing and you can easily duplicate that. Let's just go. I'm tired of seeing myself on camera. Let's just go. Check this out. This could make you money. I hope it blows you away. Cheers. Here we go. Scooby-Doo bop bop. Say boom, 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 boom. Okay. Here's what's going on. Before we even get into this, hang on. You might see this particular image for a minute while I talk, okay? And then we'll get into this. I don't want you to get bored. I know how you guys have really short attention spans. But watch this whole video because this could mean a lot to you. I'm making this video for you, right? So take advantage of it. Okay. Now, having said that, what I want to say is this video is going to talk about affiliate marketing and how you can make money with this and how you can start by doing it the right way. Now, what am I talking about the right way? I'm talking about reverse engineering what's already working. And for that, all we have to do is do a simple Google search and see how these big gurus are already making money. So we could type any niche into Google. Now, hopefully you guys understand what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is where you go on to somewhere like this, like ClickBank, and you can find products that are for sale. And every one of these products will pay you money. So, for example, this, I don't know what this is. Biotox Gold, I don't know what this product is. If I click on it, it'll take us to the sales page. We'll see oh, my VR thing. Let me get rid of that. Okay. Okay, this is a product on weight loss, and it's actually a physical product. So you can see that they're selling this for $79 a bottle, all these different bundles, right? So if we go back to this, you can see that all I need to do is I need to hit this button as an affiliate marketer, and anybody can do this. I'll show you guys exactly. I'm going to hit this, and I'm going to generate a link. It's a link that is unique to me. And then when I go out and I promote that link, I can potentially make a lot of money. But it sounds easy, right? But how do we actually do this? So first of all, you can become a member of ClickBank. It costs you no money. So ClickBank, I don't want to go into this digression because most of you know about this by now. Let's go back to Google and we will reverse engineer how to make money. We're going to spy on some of these guys that are making big money, and we're just going to do what they do. So let me type something in here in a niche. Let me pick a niche and type something in. Now, I'm in the MMO niche, which is make money online niche. So let me just type that in, and we'll see what goes down. Okay, so I started typing how to make MO, and look at what happened. All of these pre-populated, right? Mozzarella sticks, not interested. But this is the top search, how to make money online, and then how to make money from home, how to make money fast. Those are our top searches given this niche and given this term. So I'm just going to click on this one, and what I'm going to look at now are the paid ads, right? Because here's what's doing. These guys are paying Google to drive traffic, and they're doing it. A lot of these guys are doing it through a affiliate link. So let's just go through here. Bear with me. This may take a little time, but the payoff is going to be huge. This one, now this I already know. I've already looked at this. And if I remember correctly, this is interesting. Look, they're at the top of a Google search. So they're paying good money for this. YouGov, get paid to share your opinion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reverse engineer this. In other words, rather than going on to ClickBank and saying, oh, here's something, this is supposed to be making money, I'm going to try and promote this. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to see from the ground up how I can set up a campaign and make money. And I know it's going to work because it's working for this schmuck. So here's what I'm going to do. First thing, I'm going to copy this ad and put it on my clipboard because I'm going to adapt that to my own purposes. Next, I'm going to go look at this particular situation. So this is YouGov. This is their site. And the first thing I want you guys to realize is when I come up here to the address bar, see this where it says source ID equals 1178, blah, blah, blah. That's somebody's affiliate ID. So somebody is running traffic to this with what's called a direct link off of Google, which surprises me because I didn't think Google allowed that. Back in my day, they did not allow that. Maybe they're allowing it again. But anyway, this is making somebody a good amount of money. And they're just running traffic directly to this thing. So what the hell is YouGov? Again, I'll come down here and I'll look for, see, there's a lot of stuff on here. But, oh yeah, now I remember. This is hosted on a CPA gateway. So what I'll do is, let me go back onto Google, because when I went to the bottom of their page, there was not a thing here that said affiliates, right? Or promote our product, nothing like that. I don't see it. So I'm going to go back onto Google and let me show you what to do. Okay, so I just typed in yougov.com affiliate program, and we'll see if we can find the information on this. So here it is. And like I say, I did this before, so I kind of know what's going on. YouGov affiliate program is actually being run through a network called, what is this called? Apododo. 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 I have the worst time with this name. Apododo. A stupid name. But, you know, what am I going to do? It's not my company. Anyway, check this out. This tells me everything I need to know about making money with this YouGov thing, right? So if I come here, this is a CPA network. Again, CPA is different from an affiliate network because CPAs pay you per action, not per sale. So anyway, if I come on here, I can just join this network and then I can start running ads. Now, this tells me everything that I need to know about running ads. Hang on, I'm gonna have a coughing fit. Oh, man. I can't wait for these forest fires to go away. I mean, the world is burning. Anyway, okay, let's go deep into this. Okay, a CPA network is going to give you certain restrictions, meaning if I want to promote this YouGov, the only place I'm supposed to promote it is in the UK. And the only way I'm supposed to promote it is through emails, display ads, content, and social media. Now, the guy that we're looking at here, who was running this ad, is not abiding by any of that. So if I were to click on his thing and if I were to join, he wouldn't get paid from my joining through his link, because what he's using to drive traffic is a search engine. And if we look in here, they're not saying that search engine traffic is allowed. Maybe what's going on here is I'm only seeing a little bit of the situation. Maybe when I join this CPA gateway, they would give me more details, or maybe this has been updated within the actual website and it hasn't been updated on this splash page. So that's possible too. But anyway, what I'm trying to get through to you guys is this is so easy to reverse engineer what is currently working. Again, this guy is at the top of the search engine. So now that we know what's going on, we know, we can emulate this ad and we can place it on Google and drive traffic in the same way that this guy is doing it. And all we have to do is join this CPA gateway and we will make money. Now, I'm not going to do it. I don't know. If I joined, I would see how much this pays. And that's real important. You want to look at how much the payout is, and you want to look at certain other metrics like the EPCs, the earnings per click, because that's going to get you the math that you need to be able to run your paid ads on Google. So most newbies, they will make a big mistake by just thinking, well, I'll just run a paid ad. I'll put whatever in there. And they find out very quickly that they're just losing money because they don't have their budget set right and the amount of click rate set right and their pay-per-click rate set right and their keywords. So how do you figure all that out? I mean, we know that this guy is doing it and we know he's figured it out. So how can we do that? Well, the way we can do that is we can spy on this guy. It's pretty cool. Okay, so this is where the rubber really hits the road. We've found something that makes money, and we know that we can go in and we can get our own link and do basically what this guy is doing. But we need more information so that we can set up our pay-per-click ads. So in order to do that, we need a spy tool that will show us what the competitor, what this guy, this YouGov guy, this guy is actually doing. So what we can do is, and I just Google search for Google Ads spy tool. See right up here. And you'll come through here. I'm not going to go through. I don't want to endorse any of these because, I told you I wasn't going to try and sell you on anything, and I'm not trying to make money through an affiliate type situation with you. But here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to go through here and look through, I'm not sure what this one is, but I looked at it before. I can see that. What you want to do is you want to find a spy tool that does everything. So what you're going to do is basically you're just going to put in the guy's URL, his website, and then you're just going to click on Start Spying. And it's going to give you all of the information on what this guy is doing, right? But the thing that I want you, because there are good spy tools and bad spy tools. The spy tools that I like are the ones that will not only give me the guy's keywords, but they'll give me his entire budget setup. It'll show me how much he's paying per click, and it'll show me where he's targeting his traffic and what he's targeting his traffic to. In other words, if he's only targeting his traffic to women in the United States that are of the age of 28 to 58, right? All that, we need really all the information that we can get so that when we set up our ads, we're going to be right next to this guy. We're going to bid the same amount. We're going to do the exact same thing that he's doing. We're not going to try and reinvent the wheel here. This guy's making money. I know he's making money. So all I have to do is, like I say, reverse engineer this. Look at what he's doing. Look at where he's sending traffic. Look at how much he's spending on traffic and just do that. So I hope you guys understand that. And yes, a spy tool will cost you money. A good spy tool will cost you money. But a lot of these have free trials, so you can possibly get up and running. You can start your first reverse engineering campaign with a free trial. This one has a free trial. But anyway, now you have a complete and total overview of how easy it can be to make money doing what's already working for somebody else. And now comes the commercial. So now that I've taught you guys that, giving you a simple overview of that, if you want to learn in-depth stuff like this, you come to my website, thekinghumanelite.com, and get a free trial. Come in here, check it out. I'll give you a free 7-day free trial so you can check out the other ways that there are to make money online. And this is no joke. I mean, this can make you guys money. And not only do you get access to all of the training in here, which is literally years of training, but you get direct access to me via voicemail. And I will help you instantly via voicemail. Well, kind of instantly, within 24 hours. There's another burp. Okay, it was pretty weak. What do you want? Yeah, you just leave a voicemail for me, and I return your voicemail and give you the answers that you need. And that's something that's pretty unheard of in this industry. You don't get access to a virtual assistant or a help desk or somebody that doesn't give a crap about you. You get access to me, direct access to me. Not some idiot that has no idea on how to make money online, not some virtual assistant I'm paying $3 an hour to. You get access to me, the guy that went from being an idiot truck driver to being a millionaire online. All right, there it is. Commercial over. I hope this helps some of you guys. And do it, don't do it. It's your life. I don't care. But also, I know times are hard right now, but if you can, think about donating a few bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. It's a good thing to do. All right, enough of me. Adios, amigos. Bayonara, cheers.